How to download Roblox Studio on mobile. Downloading Roblox Studio on mobile is quite easy and simple. Follow the steps till the end. Without much ado, let's get started. Open any browser on your device. Tap on the search bar and type in roblox.com. Now tap on the search icon on your keyboard and a new interface opens on your browser. Now tap Continue in Browser at the bottom of the screen and ensure to log into your Roblox account. Tap Create at top right corner of the screen. And once you have opened this section, tap three dots at top right corner of the screen. On this drop-down menu box, select the subsite. And now here you can easily use Roblox Studio on mobile. For easy access, tap three dots again at top right corner of the screen and tap Add to Home Screen. You can easily write what you need to write here and tap Install at the bottom right corner of the screen. In this way, you can easily get access to the Roblox Studio on your home screen and you don't need to open Chrome browser again and again for using Roblox Studio on mobile. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, send a like, share, comment on this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.